What's going on YouTube? Anthony here. I'm about to solder up my Max6 Max6. I'm putting this off for like about 6 months or so. Weather's getting nice. I'm ready to get back outside and have some fun. So decided to go ahead and solder this up while I had a little bit of time. Already got a little bit of this done. Got the middle connector. I don't know the term for it, but basically it goes in between positive and the negative. Kind of like that. Run 6S, 8S. Seen a lot of good reviews on this guy. Basically just a direct replacement, a drop-in from the VXL 8S system. Just looking for a little bit more power. Also have the 1600 kV motor. I'll show you that in a second. Alright, so I got the 1600 kV motor that came in the 6S XMAXX. Try to get a little bit more speed out of it. As long as I gear it right, it shouldn't overheat. But I have the 1200 kV, 1275 kV in there right now. I figured I'd show y'all what I'm doing here and get you repositioned. Like I said earlier, I have this part done here. I have 2 tabs left to connect the wires to, and then I could shove them up here into the connectors. I don't know if I'm going to get to the install today, putting the ESC into the XMAXX, but at least I'll have it soldered up and ready to go. So I'll probably put you guys on time lapse and show you my process. One real quick tip, I noticed that this 10 gauge wire doesn't quite fit on the tab as well as I'd like it to. You can see that the wire is much bigger than the tab. So I've been cutting it down just a little bit so I could get it to fit on here and into the connector. Yeah, try to scuff up the tab a little bit. It seems to want to adhere better with the solder. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but I add a little bit of flux. Alright guys, that's basically how I do my soldering. I mean, I'm no professional by any means. Just a hobbyist like everyone else. I use the trakpower 950. And also use the Dremel. Cheap little Walmart Dremel does the job. Might make a video on the install. I know you have to cut a couple of things to get the SE into the XMAXX. I think it's like the antenna tube and support brace for the upper chassis. Yeah man, it took me like 15 minutes. I'm running the heat at 750 by the way. Thanks for watching the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.